People have been using wind energy for thousands of years. Wind energy was used to propel boats along the Nile River as early as 5000 BC. Simple wind-powered pumps were used in China, and windmills with woven reed blades were grinding grain in Persia and the Middle East. New ways to use wind energy eventually spread around the world and to Cliff Dayton's backyard.
Oh my gosh, what is this, a museum or what? Nope, it's not a museum. When I was a young lad, my folks always gave me a Tinker Toy set for Christmas. So, and I'd always build the windmills and had little blue blades. And then my dad in Rockford had a friend that did welding for him. And he also had a windmill, and we'd go there, and Dad would do his work with the farmer, and I would just watch his windmill, and I just kept interested in it. And so I just started collecting. This here is the Banville that I redid probably 15, 20 years ago. The original tail is over here by the light. And all of these pieces I've saved for patterns. And these are different, they're called whales for the arms and the blades to fit in. And all this stuff I just kept collecting, and hopefully people can use them for patterns if they have to redo anything. They called the Curry, they called it the poor man's windmill. That's the one I was saying that sold for $27, and then in the Depression they had a war, and it sold for $14.35. I bought windmills new for customers and put them up for them and pump water, and it was just a hobby all my life. So
And now in retirement, you're still collecting.
I've been selling. I've sold 6 of them in the last couple of years, so there's 6 of them gone, but at one time I think I had 18 here. Actually, my very first windmill came off from the Bradford farm right up here on Sparta Avenue.
So Cliff, being aware of the Sparta Historical Commission task of preserving our local history, has decided to donate one of his windmills.
This is the one he's going to donate. And he'll move it in the spring. And we hope we'll get the okay to move it out on Myers School. And if not, if the village township doesn't approve of it, we'll move it, I hope, up to the depot on the north end, because the township doesn't own that. But we're pretty sure the commission wants it, and it's got some history because D.J. Johnson was the agent for this company, sold it on East Division Street downtown, where Bombers used to be. There was a store in there, Johnson Hardware, and his DJ's grandfather is the one that handled them then, because DJ was just a youngster at the time, and a lot of farmers from around Sparta bought these and had them installed. And as Cliff has just talked about, the Bradford farm, that's a Centennial farm. It's right over here. And he got it off from there. And I hope that one of the things I'm pretty happy with is Cliff is one of the preservers of the history of Sparta. And the history of these windmills would be a great addition if the township feels comfortable with it.
Just hope that a lot of people keep refurbishing, because they're the thing of the past. I mean, you're not seeing many anymore. You see them all over the countryside, but not no more. Yeah, getting scarce, very scarce.